Hello, this is Milo. This is the brother of my cat, but he's at work. Yan on. The bird too. Yan. Makat doon sa taas. Went up. Hello, Milo. His name is Milo. Hello, Milo. Hello. Calm down. Milo. Calm down. Come. Come. He's so cute. It's cloudy here in UK. Seems summer will become without real summer. No sunshine. Summer with no sun. I don't know.
The key. There's no key there.
I'm not the one who hold it. And I've never opened it for today. Yes. Milo. Milo. Hello. How are you? Yes. The first time he came here, he cannot get down, so I need to help him down. Milo. His name is Milo. The brother of Mimi. Where's the mom? Mom is somewhere. Dito lang ako sa work. Napanood si Milo. At work. I'm at work. Taking video of Milo. It's not my break, but I'm taking the time to take video of you, Milo.